Top 10 Slice of Life Animes. Number 1 Sakura Quest. Sakura Quest starts out with Yoshino Hoaru, a girl who's having trouble job hunting in Tokyo and ends up getting work in a rural village by accident. A few highlights from Sakura Quest. It focuses on travel and tourism as a business. The anime is based in a real-life Japanese village called Manayama. The purpose of the plot is to bring Manayama back to life and attract tourists to the forgotten village. There are around 5 main female characters, each with their own flair and personality, and there is no fan service that's inappropriate. Number 2 Toradora. Sakura Quest is good for anyone interested in business and tourism with a bit of comedy in there, but Toradora is for anyone who wants a romance series with emotional episodes. So in the beginning, it's about Ryuji and Taiga. Taiga constantly abuses Ryuji non-stop. But as you get into this anime, assuming it doesn't force you to drop off, each character starts to develop more, and you learn more about each character's inner struggles and backstories. Later, the anime starts to get intense unlike any other slice of life series you'll ever see. For that reason, Toradora is a masterpiece in the slice of life department, and you should watch it. Number 3 Tamako Market. Made by Kaito Animation, Tamako Market is an innocent slice of life about Tamako, the daughter of a businessman who makes mochi for a living. Unlike an anime like Sakura Quest, Tamako Market doesn't have a particular focus or plot, other than highlighting the daily lifestyle of living in a small town, doing business, a fat talking bird, school, and comedy. But don't be fooled by that. This is one of the most relaxing anime shows that will put you at ease. And you also don't have to think too much about what you're watching because it's that chilled and simple. Number 4 Flying Witch. Whereas Tamako Market is about a town that makes mochi, Flying Witch is about a witch in training. Makoto Kuwata moves to the countryside with family to get some personal experience that will prepare her for the future as a witch. Though you don't see much magic in this anime, when you do, it's used to enlighten mood. So to explain something the anime is trying to portray. Don't expect too much comedy from this one, but do expect to feel chilled and relaxed like no other anime is capable of. Number 5 Orange. An anime like Toradora highlights the emotional struggles of romance, eventually. But Orange highlights depression, suicide, romance, guilt, and bullying, which sets it apart from your average slice of life series. Like any normal person would, Kekeru Nasue is guilty of his mother's death because the day she died, she said something he shouldn't have. Any regret is destroying him from the inside out. This is a deep, meaningful series, so keep that in mind before you decide to watch, as it gets uncomfortable for obvious reasons. Number 6 Kokoro Connect. At first, I didn't know what to make of Kokoro Connect. But as it makes progress, it starts to shine and blossom like an iris flower. Kokoro Connect is about 5 students who are forced to play along with an experiment that tests their friendship, sanity, emotions, and relationships with each other. It's thought-provoking, so it's unlikely that anime won't make you think about your own life in some way or other. There's some romance too if that tickles your fantasy. Number 7 Clannad. Clannad is known as a masterpiece when it comes to romance and slice of life, and I agree as I watched it. The first season focuses on Tomoya Okazaki and Nagisa Furukawa. Nagisa is weak physically and there's a deeper reason about why. But the first season of Clannad focuses more on having fun with your odd moment that's meaningful. Season 2 is where Clannad evolves into something deep, tragic, and pouring with emotional baggage. So if you consider Clannad, make sure you watch both seasons to get the full story and experience. Number 8. Kanon. Produced by Kyoto Animation, Kanon is what I call the little brother of Clannad. Typical of Kyoto Animation, the style, design and character share strong similarities. The animation is just as nice for its time and the story is worthwhile too. But Kanon is overshadowed by Clannad's success. That aside, if you want something besides Clannad with a different story and theme, Kanon is the best choice. There's few comparable slice of life to Clannad like Kanon that are worth mentioning. Number 9. New Game. New Game is one of the freshest slice of life shows in the industry. Released back in 2016, Aoba Suzukaze is the protagonist and her dream is to work for a gaming company and create games for a living. Season 1 and 2 follows Aoba Suzukaze on a journey in the gaming industry, along with other characters who all work for the same company with similar goals. So you'll enjoy this if gaming or programming is a personal interest. Animation quality is one of the new game's strongest traits. It's bright, colorful, gorgeous and nice on the eyes. Number 10. Violet Evergarden. Made by Kyoto Animation, Violet Evergarden is an animation that knows how to tell emotional stories. Each set of episodes is focused on the main character Violet, whose job is to help people write letters to the people they love, to give them closure. Words cannot describe how much of a masterpiece this anime is. It's even comparable to shows like Clannad for its emotional storytelling.